These 10 mysterious photos that cannot be explained. The Babushka Lady. During the 1963 assassination of President John F. Kennedy, a woman is recorded on a film and in many photographs. She appears to be taking photos of her own, while the others run for cover. The FBI searched for the woman, but her identity and photos were never recovered. The Hessdalen lights. Throughout the years, vibrant lights were famed to show up in photos taken in Norway's Hessdalen Valley. Many studies have been conducted to define this phenomenon, that scientists are still at a loss to explain what it is about this valley that causes these lights. The Hook Island Sea Monster. In 1964, a couple spotted a strange object gradually swimming towards them in the lagoon of Hook Island. It seemed to be a gigantic tadpole-like creature estimated about 80 feet long. After taking several photos, the couple claims the creature opened its mouth before moving off. The Solveig Firth Spaceman. In 1964, a man photographing his daughter captured what appears to be an astronaut standing behind her. He claims no one else was present in the shot other than the girl. Even the Kodak company inspected the photo to confirm that it was not tampered with any way. The SS Waterton Ghosts. In 1924, two sailors were killed in a freak accident and buried at sea. In the days following, the crew claimed to see two faces of these men following the ship, and the captain snapped this photo that allegedly shows their faces in the waves. The Black Knight Satellite. In 1960, a dark tumbling object was reported in Earth's orbit. At this time, no satellite had been launched nor was identified as a man-made design. And since then, many other finds have been recorded of similar objects appearing in orbit before vanishing. The Cooper falling body. There is a very little information available about this photograph, other than the Cooper family moves into their new home and takes a family photo. After developing, the picture shows a body falling from the ceiling. The Geophone Rock Anomaly. This photo was taken by Apollo 17 during the last flight to the moon. The photo was listed as blank due to extreme light exposure. But when the contrast was adjusted, the photo revealed a pyramid-like structure. The Goddard Squadron photograph. In 1919, this photo was taken on the day of the funeral of Squad Number 2, B. Freddie Jackson. At the top of the photo, a face emerges behind one of the officers, recognized by members of the squadron as Freddie Jackson. The mysterious case of Elisa Lam. In 2013, Elisa was found dead inside a hotel's rooftop water tank. Her death was ruled accidental and no traces of drugs or alcohol were found during her autopsy. Hotel surveillance footage just moments before her death shows Elisa enter an elevator. She begins to behave strangely by stepping to the side, is avoiding someone, and moving around in a very unnatural way before ultimately wandering off to her demise. If you like this type of documentary style videos, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more upcoming videos like this, press the bell icon to get instant notification of our videos.